What's good YouTube? This is your boy Star Gen Z and I'm back again with another video. Many beginner forex traders lose money in the market not because they have a bad strategy or not because they don't know how to trade, but simply because some of them don't know when to trade the market. In this video, we're talking about market sessions. So when we talk about market sessions are the different time periods when the forex market is active based on major financial centers around the world. Even though the forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week, doesn't mean the market moves the same all the times, or doesn't mean the market is always volatile, because banks, institutions, and traders operate in different countries and different time zones. When one market closes, another opens, and that's how the forex market stays open 24 hours a day and 5 days in a week. So basically, we have three main market sessions. We have the Asian session. During the Asian session, we have the pairs that will most likely be volatile. We have the JPY pairs, which is the Japanese yen. We have the Australian dollar, the AUD, and also the New Zealand dollar. These pairs are most likely to be volatile during the Asian session. But the Asian session is considered as a slow market session, the slowest, because during this market session, the market is always very slow. So it is not even advisable for a trader or for a beginner trader to trade during the Asian session. We have the London session. The London session is where we see clear moves in the market. So during the London session, the market it's more volatile. In the London session, the pairs that are most likely to be volatile, we have the Euro USD, we have the GBP USD, and also other currency pairs. But any pair that is coupled with the Great British Pounds and also the Euro is most likely to be volatile during the London session. Then we have the New York session. So the New York session is considered to be one of the most important and one of the most volatile sessions. During the New York session, we have mainly the dollar that is very volatile. So during the New York session, pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY will be very volatile. And the New York session is also the session that most of the fundamentals, especially that concerns the dollar, is usually carried out. Fundamentals like the CPI, NFP, FOMC, that's when they are usually released during the New York session. So this session is always very volatile. Also, people that trade commodities, indices, is the type of session that is best for trading those type of assets. We also have the overlap session. So the overlap session is when London session and the New York session they meet together, because before the London session closes, the New York session was already open. So this hours that the London session and the New York session are all active is known as the overlap session, which lasts for a couple of hours. So within this overlap session, the market is very volatile, and that is when you as a trader you can also benefit from the volatility of the market. So I know you might be asking, why do market session matters in trading? So there are actually some key factors that are important as far as market sessions are concerned, and one is volatility. You don't want to be trading when the market is just consolidating or when the market is not actually moving, right? So you want to be trading when the market is volatile, depending on the currency pairs you are trading. You want to be trading when you know that the banks in that particular zone, they are open. The banks are open, some other traders and institutions, they are open, transactions are going on. That's when the market becomes volatile. Also, liquidity. So liquidity, depending on the market session, we'll be having liquidity, and that's when you have a chance to know when to enter the trade and when to exit. Another factor that's also important as far as market session is concerned is also spread. So the spread is usually tighter during active market sessions. So I said like the London, the New York, like the London and the New York session. So maybe if you are confused on how you can check the market session that is currently going on, you can come up to this website. It's called Forex Factory. On this Forex Factory, this is the name of the website, Forex Factory. So on this Forex Factory, it's going to show you, if you scroll down, it's going to show the different sessions. You can see these are sessions: Sydney session, Tokyo, London, and New York session. So this Sydney and Tokyo session are combined together to form the Asian session. These different sessions, as you can see, their local times. The local time is actually different. So if you check on this website, then you see the particular session you are at that particular time. You can now convert that time to your local time. It's actually important, so you know when that particular session is opening and when you can be on the chart. This is a session up here. Then we have the time. Have the time here that's allocated right up here. You can also on your trading view add this indicator that is going to help you the trading sessions in place. To open the indicators, you can search on market session. So when you search on market sessions, it's going to show you different type of indicators. You can just select the one that you actually want, so it can guide you. This is just to guide you so you know when the session you are trading, if it's a London, the New York session, when it's actually open. When you add, it's going to just pop up on the chart and your chart will already be marked. Your chart will be marked already. As you can see here, we have the London session, New York session, Tokyo session, London session. It's going to partition the charts into different market sessions. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure you smash the subscribe button, give this video a like, and don't miss out on my next video.